In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a picture on X, Twitter. First, open your web browser and type in the address for X, which is https://x.com. This is the platform where you'll be sharing your image. You will see the homepage with various posts and menu options. It is important to ensure you are on the correct site to access your account seamlessly. A quick tip is to bookmark this page for easier access in the future. Once the page loads completely, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Next, locate and click on the Post button. This button is usually found at the top of your screen, often represented by a quill or feather icon. Clicking this will open up a new window or area where you can create your post. It's essential to find this button easily because it is the gateway to sharing your thoughts and images with your followers. After clicking, you'll see a blank text box ready for your input, making it clear that you are about to create a new post. Now take a look for the image icon, which appears as a small photo icon in the post window. Click on this icon to initiate the process of adding your picture. This action is crucial because it allows you to share visuals that enhance your message. Visual content can engage your audience more effectively than text alone. After clicking the icon, a file dialog will open, showing the files on your computer. From there, select the picture you want to upload from your computer. You can browse through your folders to find the right image. This step is significant because selecting a high-quality image can make your post stand out. Once you find the picture you want, click on it and then click the Open button. This action will prepare your image for uploading, making sure you are sharing exactly what you intended. After that, wait for the image to upload. During this time, you may see a loading icon or a progress bar indicating the upload status. This is an important moment because a successful upload ensures that your image appears correctly in your post. Patience here is key, as larger images may take a little longer. Once the upload is complete, you will see a thumbnail of your image in the post area. Now you have the option to add text, hashtags, or a description if needed. This is a great way to provide context or enhance engagement. Adding text not only personalizes your post, but also helps convey your message more effectively. Hashtags can increase visibility and reach. Take a moment to think about what you want to say and how it complements your image. Finally, click the Post button to share your picture with the world. This final click is significant because it officially makes your content live on the platform. After clicking, you may see a confirmation appear, indicating that your post has been successfully shared. You did it. You have now posted a picture on X, engaging with your audience in a meaningful way. Remember, sharing images can greatly enhance your presence on social media. Keep experimenting with different types of content to find what resonates best with your followers.